Hi, this specific video is for students who are preparing for CAT 22. And if you're starting from October 21, how is the most effective way you can prepare for the CAT? So I've already prepared a video for general overall plan for CAT 22. This is specifically for con section. So how do you prepare for con section for the first stage of preparation? So technically you should try to complete your syllabus, the first round of syllabus by January 22, around 4 months time. Then once you have completed a syllabus, you understand, then it's a revision. You can do a revision with little high level questions from Feb 22 to June 22. Okay, post that, then you can go to practice plus mock. So this is a 3 stage of preparation that you need to try and do as far as possible. Yeah, so this is November 22. Right. So we talk about the first stage, that is how do you prepare from the first stage, that is October 21 to Jan 22. So you approximately have 17 weeks, a little more than 17 weeks, but let's catch 17 weeks, right? So if you prepare for 6 days of preparation every week, okay, and let's say 1 day break or maybe a revision, whichever way you want to do. So if you prepare for the 6 days properly, you can take a day's break. So that means you have approximately 102 days of preparation, right? So time, maybe you can spend 1 or 2 hours a day depending on how much time is available to you and how much you can devote. 1 to 2 hours a day is what you can devote. That's the whole idea about the first round of preparation. I've given you topics and approximate days which you can prepare. For example, you start with number system, maybe. You can start with averages also. That's a good topic to start with. But yeah, so if you start number system, you can do 6 days in the week number system. But moment 6 days are over, move to next topic. Don't linger for more than 6 days. Okay. Same if you're doing averages, 5 days. Don't spend more than 5 days. Try to stick to the schedule, else you will not finish the syllabus. One of the common mistakes that students do is they tend to extend their dates, and because of which they won't complete the syllabus on time. It's okay if you don't understand the topic. It's okay if you've not completed everything. As long as you understand the basic fundamentals, are able to solve a few easy sums, I think that should suffice. Okay, for the first round of preparation. So do your basic preparation as far as possible and spend this time as for each topic. Okay, these are topics that are given to you. Look at these topics and prepare for each topic based on these. What are you expected to do on these particular time? How to prepare? First, I normally recommend people to directly go and solve sums. I mean, normally this whole syllabus is your 10th standard syllabus, school syllabus. So if you remember anything from your 10th standard, maybe you can try solving a few sums. It's high likely you will not get any of the sums, but that's fine. Just try it out. It helps in understanding the questions better. Because once you go to the formula and then you go to the sums, then your whole understanding of the sum depends on the formula. You're hinged to a formula. But if you try to solve without theory, then your understanding of the sum becomes better over a period of time. So after that, once you have tried a few sums, then go to the theory which is there. Solve the theory, go to the theory, understand the theory. And once you have gone to a theory, solve a few basic sums. Okay, for a particular topic. Apart from this, for each topic, okay, whatever time you have, practice calculations every day. Calculation becomes very important and people ignore it. Simple 2-digit calculations. We normally put a calculation sheet on a YouTube channel, etc. You can do that or whichever calculation you want. 10 to 15 minutes of mental calculation will help you to improve your mathematics over a period of time. So try doing this on a regular basis as far as possible and following the schedule which is given to you. And I'm sure by Jan, your one basic round of syllabus is over. So when you go in for revision after that, you will help to understand the whole concept in a much better way. Right? I hope that helps. Thank you.